Hi guys, we are back again, Chaley. If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Guys, we are going kayaking, the way you will see soon. And guys, I'm so excited. I am currently here at a town called Anyanwi. This is where we took our boat from here to Accra. If you haven't watched a YouTube video, it's up on my YouTube channel. So it's more like a harbor. This is where everyone takes the boat from each town to the next town to the next town to Ada and then whatsoever. So we are going kayaking. I'm going kayaking. This is my second time kayaking, but this is my first time kayaking on the river Volta. This is one activity you could do whenever you're in the Volta region. And so, you know, I'm coming along with you. How do I look? How do I look? Today I'm rocking my natural hair. Somebody commented recently and said, hey Stella, we've never seen you in natural hair. So today, yeah, here you are. This is my hair. And so let's go right into the video. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. Maunyo. Okay, so Maunyo is the one taking us, and he's been smiling throughout. Yeah. So I'm here with my life jacket. She's also preparing. So I haven't properly introduced you all. So this is Akosia Shanelly, aka the area girl with Brandy, and this is Hetty.
Hello everyone.
Hetty Ajete. I'll share their details in the description box. Please do want to subscribe to their channel too. So this is how the kayaking looks like. There's actually a space you can keep your items. Let's see how it looks like. How big is it?
These kayaks are very stable and they are fast for beginners, and everybody can navigate with these kayaks. Very easy to move. So this afternoon we'll do a bit kayaking to the mangrove, where we'll see the type of the mangrove, the uses, the importance, the species that live in the mangrove, and why we need to restore our mangrove forest after harvesting and blah blah blah. My name is Bright Maunyo Ajaba.
Okay.
I'm a sea turtle conservationist.
What does it mean?
Well, I protect
saving the turtles and keeping them.
Sea turtles, right?
Yes, and other aquatic species like manatee, crocodiles. Blah, blah,
Did you
blah.
study it? Was a passion?
I'm just doing it out of passion.
Okay.
I mean, from these tours, kayaking, boat cruise, boat safari, and other things, the fund directly supports my sea turtle conservation staffs and mangrove conservation staffs. So it's not profit. The money is not going to Bright, but it's rather being spent to protect sea turtles and mangrove restoration.
Okay. Thank you very much. I am ready.
Whoa. Your viewers will enjoy. Don't worry.
She's also ready. Struggling. Akosia is struggling down there, same as Hetty. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and yeah. I'm coming to you, okay? I'm going to save her ass. on the upper part of your body. The plant.
Mangroves are aquatic plants, and they are very important because they serve as home for species like mudskipper, crabs, birds,
Oyster,
and others. And the mangroves are important because they store carbon, and they are the fastest carbon storage way. So they store a lot of carbons. And because of the carbon in the mangrove, and the fishmonger uses to smoke their fish, it preserves the fish for long. So they prefer using the mangrove to smoke their fish that other wood.
oh, okay. You see a lot of them
in the markets there. Yeah, these mangroves are very important. So, but in this area is one of the major business people are doing mangrove harvesting or cultivation. You can see a crab over there. We have different type of crab. The one moving there.
So these are the edible crabs?
They are edible.
Oh, okay.
They are edible.
So this is a close-up of how the mangroves look like. Yay! Oh, I'm entering. Yeah, I'm entering inside though. Yeah, so I need to paddle back. This looks scary. So this is my view right now. And I'm currently on the water, just relaxing. And yeah, I wish I'd had a closer look. So this is how the paddle looks like. This is how the inside looks like. So yeah. Brings us to the end of the kayaking section. It took us 30 minutes, and yeah, I have realized there it's some sea snails here. It actually moves in the water, but once you're holding it, it's not moving. Look at, can you see it? What's the name of this shell? What? Comet crab. Oh, it's called a hermit crab. Well, I've been seeing it, but I don't know the name. So you can tell it will be moving very soon. It actually moves in the water. There are a lot of them here. Look at this type. Yeah. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. I also had a good time. It was a good kayaking. It was my second kayaking experience, and it was okay for me though. So yeah, until next time on my next video, catch you guys. You know I always love you. You are my favorite person. 4 million. Hey, 400 cedis. Hey, how Stella? Wow, I didn't know firewood business was this big. She says the whole entire wood is 400 cedis, and I think that's a lot of money. Like, even if I decide to fill my gas. Wow, interesting.